Hello everyone, in this opportunity I would like to present our research paper called Implementation of Restaurant Tax Policy in South Tondano District. In this part, I would like to introduce you some of the problem cases from this study. Restaurant tax is one of the potential sources of regional income in supporting the financing of development activities in Minahasa Regency area. Throughout 2021, the achievement of restaurant taxes ranks 4th out of 10 tax sectors as contributors to regional export income. The local government is responsible for collecting local taxes, and in this case in South Tondano District, the Minahasa Regency Regional Tax and Retribution Management Agency is the restaurant tax. Restaurant tax is one type of tax that is managed by the region as a source of regional income. The smooth implementation of the restaurant tax depends on all the actors involved, both taxpayers and related agencies. In Minahasa Regency, especially in South Tondano District, some restaurants haven't been taxed. The approach in this research is carried out through the qualitative approach. The researcher conducted this research intending to implement the restaurant tax policy in South Tondano District based on the Minahasa District Regulation number 1 of 2011 concerning regional tax Article 6, which consists of 3 indicators, namely, the amount of payment received or expected by a restaurant becomes the basis for the imposition of restaurant tax rate, and restaurant tax collection area. There are 3 points of result from this research. The first one is basis of imposition of restaurant tax, setting restaurant tax rates, and restaurant tax collection area. Now we are going to the basis of imposition of restaurant tax. Regional Regulation Number 1 of 2011 concerning regional taxes has been implemented approximately 10 years ago. To be precise, in 2011, not all people, especially restaurant owners, as taxpayer, know about the Regional Regulation Number 1 of 2011 concerning regional taxes. This includes the restaurant tax, which is clearly listed, even though this regional regulation has been around for a long time. But in reality, only the government, in this case the Regional Tax and Retribution Management Agency, knows about the context of the regulation. They also don't know who are the parties involved in the implementation of the restaurant tax. Even though it is clear that it should be from the government and also the community, restaurant owners also never know about the socialization. Setting the restaurant tax rates. The implementation of the restaurant tax begins with the data collection on registration and determination as a taxpayer. But in fact, many restaurants haven't been recorded. Moreover, tax is imposed even though the implementation process is clear, and regarding to the process or system of the restaurant tax determination, it can be said that not all office employees masters it because not all employees answer in detail, and also judging from the facial expression of some employees do not master the restaurant tax determination process or system. Restaurant tax collection area. The office doesn't know about the data on registered restaurants that are subjected to the tax because so far they have never carried out direct data collection in the South Tondano district, especially in the campus road area, for reason of lack of personnel, so that they appoint non-permanent employees to helpful, but in fact honorary employees haven't been transferred properly because the office only found out during interviews about several restaurants that have been around for a long time but haven't been taxed. Some employees, as informants, admit that they do not always go out in the field in the sense that they rarely update information, so that there are many restaurants that are established but haven't been taxed due to the lack of supervision from the relevant agencies. In conclusion, the imposition of taxes is based on the fact that not everyone, especially restaurant owners, as taxpayers, is aware of Regional Regulation Number 1 of 2011, which covers restaurant taxes. Although this regional regulation has existed for a long time, It hasn't worked as expected because only the government of the tax management agency knows the contents of the regulation, and the owners of restaurants in South Tondano district as a community do not know about the socialization of tax regulation. The restaurant tax determination process or system is unknown to some office workers, and there is no tax for every food sold because many restaurants haven't been registered, let alone taxed. And even though the implementation process clearly begins with the data collection, registration, and determination, and the purpose that existing restaurant tax data is inversely proportional to the objective of the existing restaurant tax data. The regional restaurant tax collection area, namely the service, isn't aware of any data recorded as tax payable and has never conducted data collection directly in the field, especially as restaurant in South Tondano district. They do not hire staff in the campus road area due to the lack of manpower, but they do not function due to the lack of supervision from the relevant agency or institutions. And that is all from our research paper. Thank you. Have a nice day.